Okay, we're gonna review on government-ish design system, which again is gonna be very much focused on accessibility. It's gonna be more brutalistic, not as fun. This one is from the French government of information. And again, it's not updated with all the latest Figma whistles, but it does have auto layout at least. And as expected, you can see everything is like really well documented. They have a light and dark mode, but it's more like manual. I haven't seen it, or at least not in this one. You have to connect to a different library to actually uh, get it. So nothing much to say. Everything you can expect, very well done, covering all the edge cases. It's a very interesting approach. You can see they invested a lot in this. Again, not super sexy if you're to compare with more modern systems, but it works, it does the job. It's very well optimized, especially for dark mode. Color chase is probably a lot of research and logic there, but yeah, it's again pretty robust, pretty well done. You're gonna have a bunch of components, so if you need something that's already optimized, so if you're like a government or need to scale this for a large enterprise, this actually it's a really good starting point. Although they do have some um, bugs, improvements left to do here and there. But yeah, other than that, not super bad. Again, quite the opposite.